Welcome to AppStarBus. In this video, I will show you how to edit the name on Facebook on mobile and PC. To do that, on mobile, open Facebook app, press three lines at the top left. Go to Settings and Privacy. Select Settings. Go to Accounts Center. Press Profiles and Personal Details. Select your profile. Select Name. Edit the name and press Review Change. If you change your name, it cannot be changed again for 60 days, so keep this in mind. And on desktop, open Facebook, press your profile photo, select Settings and Privacy, select Settings, select Accounts Center from the left, select your profile, select the name, edit the name and click Review Change. So this is how you can edit or change the name on Facebook. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.